Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our topic about Fiverr. How to get started on Fiverr and how to work on Fiverr. Making money as a Fiverr seller is easier than ever. By completing the following steps, you can be up and running and hopefully making money with Fiverr in no time. Register for a new account. In the order to make money on Fiverr, you must be a registered user. So your first step is to sign up for a new account. Once you enter your contact information and details, you will receive an email confirmation link. After you confirm your new account, it's time to start browsing for work. Create a seller profile. Your profile is perhaps the most important way to get a job on Fiverr. It's your opportunity to showcase your experience, skills, and history to buyer. Instantly, you need to sell yourself with your profile. This is the first things buyers see when deciding who to hire. So make your first impression a good one. Create a gig. Now that you have a descriptive profile, you will want to create a gig to share with potential buyers. You will need to provide information on your services requirements and what you will charge. Think of the Fiverr gig as your job description. After reading your profile, a buyer will look through your gig to see if you are a good fit for the project. Send offers to buyers. Although you can sit back and relax while buyers look through your profile, you will get more gigs if you work practically. Some buyers will post a request for a service. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget subscribe us, and I am come back with a new video for yours. Thanks to Allah Hafiz.